a bank for a house. I take it back, boy. You just told me what I said, my brother. I need my check.
I'm the best at telling jokes, by the way, Petunia.
Not as good as me.
What makes you say that?
Jay, you said that's written on my seat now.
Oh, but not believe so, I go come out like this. Wait. Oh, I don't make her. Oh, when I wait, good to get patient. You know, say last month somebody said I could do ritual. Maybe my shoulder full so. So I do ritual and I say I just keep my match away. Maybe now my wife never for ask for. Get my wife. She's not busy. You don't attack Kishinana. You like hustle. Anytime you come and show, I will say sit down one place. You will say no. We go check ticket, check this one. It don't serve it. It don't serve it. My wife beautiful. And I don't say Jesus. My wife fine. If you find past her she did, she will not die. Jesus. Hola. No sir, I love my wife. Oh. I love my wife. Oh baby, I kiss you. I'm not gonna tell my wife no. That's why I don't cheat on her. No, I used to cheat, you know. But I don't stop. Baby, not to say because I love you, now I must stop to cheat. I see that calculator at 2 costs. If you are a man, you are here, you are still cheating on your wife. Stop it. You are a devourer. For you to cheat on your wife, at least you go. You know what should they spend to cheat? For you to cheat once, you must spend nothing less than 40,000. That classic. No, we let the talk of your own. You are the king of devourer. You will the carry 4 at once. Who your wife they arrange to you?
Hey, on the mix.
Classic. Listen to me. For you to cheat on your wife, you must stay in a hotel. And the cheapest hotel for Lagos, the cheapest one, say cheap where? Now 5,000. And you did after Okoko for Shibiri. And they cheat before, listen to me. I'm not saying they cheat. Yeah, you should say you go school. Your polo where you don't get on lobo. Now this kind of shirt you go wash, hang outside. Don't want to tip cloth, they go tip the hang and leave the shirt for you. Wait, hold on. Oh, now here you want for popular. Hey, okay, you pray for us if I did just talk. I just say, hey. If you want popular, you call microphone. If you want to have 5 years, if you not give up, man die. You know, this work, you just say this work easy. This work, when are they do so? You not be smart, you know. Oh God, you don't crack job before, people don't laugh. You know what it mean? You go crazy. To crack Ali or crack Basso, nobody laugh. Only me announce to them, say, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry to fail you today. I'm a speech maker. When I they come out, now one guy will come in and say, excuse me. Are you the comedian I just left now? I say, yes, sir. He said, please give me your card. I shock. My card. For our work, and one person, when you perform, when you people laugh, people enjoy the show. Then they come meet you, go take your card, or call you for that event. This man come in and say, why? He said, just give me. Now I get my card, they look at the door. Right? I say, yes. The door. I said, sir, is it that you are the only person that enjoyed my joke? That's why you are taking my card? He said, no. I'm actually taking the card so that I don't mistakenly call you for an event. Hey! This life sweet, oh. This life sweet if you get money, oh. Ah, Oga Gobi. Yes, Ogami. Anytime I dey pay my children's school fees, and this man dey give the money. Now because of your organization, you must buy table. Every time they pay, you pay me today. And you paid me today. Mona clapper for me. That's the proprietor of Value Plus. One of the leading school we have in Ojodu as a whole. Ogami. And I hear my pikito. Hear my son. Ah, Jesus. Now the school they go and I phone boy. My son, he can correct English. My son went to sign moto. One of my in-law come visit us. Now I call look the car seat, that baby seat for moto. He said, I like this chair. And my son tell her, it's not chair, it's baby seat. Hey!
You understand?
Yeah, hold on. Which table first come? Engineer Tom. Your table first come. Which table? VIP. Now the first come. Sir. This is a bottle of VSOP. Ennis. Camera, follow me. I won't be present. Not drink on the table. We know they drink alcohol. Drink alcohol. I won't finish you today. Right. Bring one VS immediately. I don't get VSOP already. Bring one VS on this table. Who? America 14. And 32 ice. Quick! Before my sister, my God bless you. Before that one come, sir, I'm presenting you this VSOP. Take 16 years. And me, I don't keep up for 12 years. 12 plus 16, how many? Mona press calculator. 48. 28. That's what I'm giving to you today. Only you. Is it your wife? Only you and your wife. Eh? You will finish it.
Everything I do, we just make
One of the laugh. Is that not VSOP? A flight about tip that one. You know, say every Nigerian they thief. Is that you thief for flight or you thief for hotel? In every 10 Nigerian, at least 4 don't thief hotel towel. I don't know before one lady tried to complain. Who tipped my towel? Who tipped my towel? Who tipped my towel for this house? Fresh towel, we soft, we did very cutting. Who tipped my towel? I said, what happened? That's why this towel is expensive. He said, no, towel when I bring up for a hotel. I said, who you Tifana? Hey, hold on. Don't let anybody deceive you. This country don't read. If you see any how to run. Oh, listen to me. This is the first time I've seen somebody who arrived into this country from outside. Thank God. Those guys were deported from Libya. That's all. As a ministry. Correct. And this humanity, they bless us all. Ladies and gentlemen, I see one Benin guy. He said, what travel? I said, where? He said, France. I said, you don't get visa? He said, no need. I said, you want to go? So I'll go through desert, Libya. I said, you know you have the slave trade where they happen there. Then they say you might be the beat them anyhow. He said, forget. Those will not know their way. Then they go, they follow Morocco. Me, I go enter Libya, go through Tripoli, enter Agadez. I said, you didn't know. You know, say that before, now you say abroad sweet. Nigeria, now they give beggars money now. Abroad, they know they give. Beggar, you go sit down one place for US, they beg money. Who will give you? One person will give you. You must work for your money. Oh, listen to me. The only difference between American and Nigerians, Americans, when beggar greet them, they didn't answer. But Nigerian, my beggar greet us, lie. When I say for answer, that day goes spoil. You never see Nigerian man, they walk out, they go beg and say, good morning. May answer. For what? American guy, they walk out on, beg and go greet them. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing, man? Beg and go say, fine. Then they ask, I business. So how's the beg in business, man? And beg at the answer, we're doing fine. Come on, that's good, man. I'm off to work. But meanwhile, has anybody giving you something today? Beggar go say no. So nobody has given you something. Neither will I. Now Americans now see say that they advise beggars. In America now first see somebody advise, give beggar advice. They are very concerned about their beggars. One lady during winter, you see the cold, sabla. If you see the cold, now January I take go me and my wife and my son. As we arrive, you don't hear cold when they blow whistle. Cold. Cold when they blow whistle, if you bend your ear, go make bra. Now when you enter Nigeria, when heat do you, now blood go flow. The blood is suspend. So inside the cold, now one woman will come meet an American guy. Hey bro, I've got no shelter. Me say no get house for the sake of no go school. You know, sometimes when you crack intelligent joke, you need to interpret by yourself. So some woman for your crack normal joke. You know, you look the American guy. I got no shelter. I got no food. I've been out in the cold for 4 days now, and I got 2 kids. American beggar, American guy with the chop burger and Pepsi first stop shop. For real? You got no shelter. You must say, that's right. You got no food. That's right. You've been out in the cold for 4 days. That's right. And you got 2 kids. That's right. Can I advise you? You must say, go ahead, please. Go to jail, man. You go right in jail. Donald Trump is going to take good care of you, man. You can even go to school and come out a graduate, you know. But America, sweet too. Jesus. America, my son, go. They 4 months. You come back. But the phone give me, I say, you decrease. I tell you, say, be CTC. You put your sister with CTC, nobody talk. America. After 2 months, this Buhari era, not be small. You know what will happen now? If you can afford 3 square meal right now, you're one of the richest men in the world. If you can afford 2 meal, we get meat with small fish and shaki. My brother, you're one of the richest men in your area. If you can afford 1 meal, even if you don't get meat, you're one of the richest men in your family. If you don't feel afford anyone, my brother, you have license to commit suicide. You don't try. Hey!
My country people.
Them the taku. Hey! Engineer Peter! Oh, you don't make up. There, table. Check the table. Not bring light, oh, not bring light, oh. Generator won't tell my yeah. Tell my yeah. Empty drinking man for them. They make you project, oh. This next, I'm supposed to do like 35 minutes. Where they do 3 hours. Talk. I talk for a living. You don't tell the talk. I feel quarrel now from now till tomorrow. Me will say for face me, I face you 32 years. Face me, they take song, take the quarrel every morning. In the morning, person go wake up. Jesus is my bulldozer. You did say the praise God. I lie you. If they talk to somebody, wait, after 2 minutes, you hear somebody from somewhere. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. For no day, you don't want to shout. That be everybody. When you bring the money, not like that, your money. Somebody pray, make you not see that money. My area enemy, them yakba. My compound, they reach 54. One of my neighbor, now the neighbor, they follow the two person. From your nowhere, you don't want to for one corner. Hey, hey, tell all the bad people. Oh yeah, Maro, Otishale, oh, you don't have to nothing come. Maro, Otishale, oh, you don't have to nothing come. Without my cancer, we go make come. My dog, I don't sign, I say we go rule am. Quarrel for face my face. Yeah, quarrel. What is the cause of quarrel? The judge give you go shock. You just see somebody. The people they fight, they quarrel. Say what happened? I got 10 minutes. They stand for my door. Every time they tap my door, later for 9 go call they press me. Listen to me. If you are living in a poor neighborhood, thinking that you are saving money, you will kill yourself. Unless you are not a Christian. The Bible made it clear that the poor and the wicked shall come back. Let me preach. They shall gather together. You never hear say Banana Island. Somebody confess. Well, no, imagine I didn't just sit down for ground. I'm actually the one. I'm the one that killed my wife. How? No, Coco. You see somebody hot afternoon, they for road. They sweat, they confess. When I for shock, when I for fear confess, I one guy will sit down for Coco, they confess. Namio, Nami may they never finish this road. How? You be federal government. This part from morning till 9 at Peperempe. Even a fella song, they not be sing. Meanwhile, all of them, meanwhile, that you feel the hustle. That guy's a hustler. I don't see where you feel they sing before they spray and pants, he stand up. Oh, that guy they work out. You know, say when you spray pants, you know they fall anyhow. Pounds they take time. They stroll. Pounds, the highest currency in the world. It's the only currency in the world with a son named Pounds Sterling. You they mad. I don't go party for person spray pants 4 days, you never fall. Now when NEPA people call cut like they see for ground. When they spray a fella pants, fia, a fella they ground they wait. Meanwhile, one guy they spray on Naira. The guy named Tokumbo. You know say the currency where you they spray determine the speed where they come up from your hand. They say they spray Naira. Now speed now, cha 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 cha. It they rush. If na euro or dollar, it must slow down. No. It can't be the same speed. Who be you? You be that's okay. Even design enough fit. If you spray dollar, cha cha, euro, cha. Cha, pounds. I don't say somebody spray pounds before you hold and follow the musician dance for 5 hours before spray. This guy when they record Tokumba called the spray ayefele the hela. Tokumba ba woni yo shewa le shewa. Tokumba the spray aba woni yo shewa le shewa. Tokumba the spray they feel good. With annoyance, they didn't want release pounds. 2 pieces. Chia. Where I feel see pounds, they fly slow motion. Enough if Pierre and I look the one in the holla since he took Baba woni yo. When he split see pounds, he look the one. Eyato ja. Amoni eyato ja. Where they hate you on the pounds they delay. Enough you wait to stand up, collect the pounds. It's a let it sue me. Aye, look. You know what it is? Not go there, pounds. If I see pounds, I go tifo.
Sure.
Pounds. I say this band from morning till night. For one party when I go for Lekki, morning till night, I peperempe. Everybody use my key, man, not lost. So I not feel use this one. I know they drop any other key. Peperempe. Everybody peperempe.
Peperempe.
Oh yeah, peperempe. Oh.
Peperempe.
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 You know, say small time they go begin mention names. Adeshala peperempe.
Peperempe.
A doctor peperempe.
Peperempe.
A Sandy Okafor peperempe.
Peperempe.
A Shegu peperempe.
Peperempe.
A Bobby Baba peperempe. Look at that small. Now anybody when they call the name, they will call spray. They call one Shegu. A Shegu peperempe. Shegu come outside. Begin spray. Shegu spray for United the band leader. Edge of the brother me Fashola. Fashola peperempe. Abasha Baba peperempe. Small time Fashola spray finish. Edge of the brother me Shehu. Shehu peperempe. Shehu Baba peperempe. Peperempe. I don't know who sent this over Sabi woman go meet the band leader. Please, can I request for a song? Band leader say, boy. Say, please play for me a song by Lionel Richie. Hello. Band where they do peperepesis. He say, man, they play Hello by Lionel Richie. The woman never Richie, I see the guy there, holla. Lionel Richie, peperempe. Hello, peperempe. Arishi Baba peperempe. Abe peperempe. Elena mili biete. Asu kulu. Wait. People see the condition. Wait. Somebody just buy table. Oh, wow. Go punish poverty. I'm about to do the show next week again. But now show me love. Oh. I need to kneel down tankuna. I go bless all of you. You don't know the joy in my heart. Do you know I'm very glad tonight? When I want to start this radio show, Ogami, when I want to start Comedy Happy Hour with it done. 2006, I don't share this story before me. 2006, now I carry the program. If I call the station, I go be like I they fold your hand. You shall be fallen. Now you get the station. Then what tomorrow they go bless me. 2 radio stations for Ireland. I mean the first one. So I get this concept. I want to do stand-up comedy for radio. The first guy when I tell, they did lucky. He said, no. You can't fly. I say, why? It's not commercial. We are not running charity. I said, Gami, but people never get there. He said, can you be cracking joke on radio? Jokes need you to move. You move your hand, you move your leg. I said, I will interpret that in lines. The guy said, no, say the station will not get that time. Now I go another one for VI. I tell them the same thing. The guy tell me, say, no. We can't even speak pidgin on our program. It will drop the value of the radio program. You don't get idea before somebody talk you down. When you go as you call the cost yourself. 2006, I they use the golf when I leave Baba give me. I see they stay by estate. I they drive, they go let me they talk to myself, say they don't you be full. And you just get up for I say you won't go there, they go the crack joke. And you they talk for radio. You get one day, when that first I say, yo, man, you don't man, Lagos City, this is cool. Now they say, and you call they say, hey, like this. Like you the Chris. Well, let me talk myself down, I'll throw away the idea. 2010, someone say, do that thing. Now, cause okay. When they listen to me, so if I talk to myself, it's not good, though. Go be outside the Chris. Now I carry the program. That time, Keke Kenny's music in there that time. That's Baba. I get this idea. Oh, I believe say go work. That time, it don't read from you. Things rough. But I pray to God. God tell me say this thing go fly. Now I tell Rainbow FM, the chairman Otumba Alex Onobancha, I'm gonna clap for my guy. I tell chairman, say, God, this thing go work. Oh. He said, I've seen it already. Come and start next week. Now we start. We started this program March 7th, 2011. After 2 weeks, to my amazement, Etekon they place 9 spots every day. That I they do on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. In not 2 days, the advert got too plenty. They can increase that to every day. If I know 1, 2, you may live assigned 2 years. 1, 2, close up come. Lucas said boost come. No, it is salad na later na. You know come. UPA come. Ete come. Area come. That day I tell myself, for the rest of your life, you will talk anyhow. So this anyhow talk, they work.